How to enable vibration in silent mode on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and here tap on the sounds and haptics option. Further, tap on haptics again and you will see the option for play in silent mode. Go ahead and choose the play in silent mode option, and with this, haptics will play when iPhone rings or receives an alert while in silent mode. So this is how you can enable vibration in silent mode. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.